know it's been a while. In fact, the last time I uploaded the video, I shared the news that we were building a house. Well, today is the day that we are closing on that house, and we are super excited. We're actually headed there right now. So once we get the keys to our brand new home, of course, I'm gonna bring you guys along for an empty house tour.
Going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going.
You guys, it's official. We are homeowners. Woo! We just got the keys to our brand new house. So we are on the way there now, and I cannot wait to show y'all what it looks like.
I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on.
I am standing in the entryway of our brand new home. It feels so good to be home just in time for the holidays. So let's go ahead and start this tour. So this is the entrance. We have a coat closet right here. This is the garage, as you can see, 2-car garage. Pretty self-explanatory here. I fell in love with this foyer. We got the 9-foot ceilings. This right here is our half bath. Now I'm gonna take you guys around to this front room here, which is supposed to be a formal dining room, but this is going to be, we're gonna make this into a playroom, a little seating area for the boys. So this is gonna be a nice, fun project. Now we're headed to the back of the house. That is the living room over there. This is the dining area, the breakfast area, and this is my kitchen. I just love how big and open this whole space is. We don't have a basement, so this is just the area for our water heater. Here is where our fridge is going to go. This is our pantry. You know me, I am obsessed with organization, so I cannot wait to get this pantry together. Of course, you guys will see that on my YouTube channel when I do. And this is our kitchen.
I feel like I've been here before.
We got nice deep sink here. And a dishwasher. For all of you who have been subscribed to my YouTube channel since the very beginning, you know, in our apartment right now, we do not have a dishwasher, so I am super pumped about having that. So this is the first floor, and now I'm gonna take you upstairs to the second floor. So here we are upstairs, just gonna give you guys a panoramic view of everything. This is bedroom number 1. This is where our oldest son, RJ, will live. And his walk-in closet. This is bedroom number 2. I plan to put 3 boys in this room since it's pretty big, and honestly because our other 3 boys are kind of closer in age and they love spending time with each other. And then here's the size of the closet that's in here. I love that all of these bedrooms have really decent sized closets. Sometimes that's hard to find in a new build home. Then over here we have our linen closet, which I think is just the perfect size. It's not too big, but not too small. And here is bedroom number 3. This room I plan to use as my office. This was supposed to be originally a loft. I converted it into a 4th bedroom so I could have this closet. as extra storage since we do not have a basement. And then this way is our laundry room. We share this space with this thingy, I forget what it's called. But the washer will go here and the dryer will go here. And this is our master bedroom. This is our master closet. I do plan to add more shelving here so that it will maximize the space, but I think it's a pretty good size. And every time over here we have our master bath. I'm so excited to have my own bathroom. We got the double vanity sinks and we have a bathtub, y'all, that I don't have to share with my boys. I can just imagine many of nights soaking in this tub.
Going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets.
And in here is the toilet inside this little closet, which I'm super excited about because I like to get dressed in peace. So the fact that I can be out here doing my hair or my makeup and Raheem is in there using the bathroom, leaving me alone, just makes me happy. And the last room up here is the boys' bathroom. Got the double vanity sinks as well. There's their toilet and tub.
When I'm with you, I am not myself. You bring out the best in me, the side of you can't see.
So that's gonna wrap up my empty house tour. I hope that you all enjoyed it so much. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're brand new. I'm so grateful that you guys are here and you stuck with me. For all of you who are subscribed to my channel from the very beginning, me making those videos in our old outdated apartment, it means so much to bring you guys along this journey with us, of us just not buying a house and becoming homeowners, but building one. So I'm just really grateful that I could share our experience with you guys. I know a lot of you have reached out to me letting me know how much of an inspiration sharing our home building and buying journey has been for you guys. So thank you so much for rocking with me. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do, because there is so much home content that I'm going to create for you guys. So if you enjoy cleaning motivation, home organization ideas and inspiration, make sure you subscribe, because this video right here kicks off my home for the holiday series. Of course, we've got to move in, get settled in, unpack, and then turn around and get this house Christmas ready. So as excited as I am, it kind of scares me a bit, but I'm going to be sharing all of this with y'all. So subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.